field trip is very important, 25%, right? For 25%. And we make sure we want to finish uh, one which meet all the requirements, right? And just want to let you know that, of course, because we have site information, right, about the geological background, we have to get information from the source, right? We have to get information from the source. And how to identify rocks. We can still refer to sources from like our textbook or geological.com or any other sources. Or any other sources, right? We have to cite the source information, right? And also, I'm not against you using generative AI. The only thing is that you want to make sure the percentage for AI generated content should be less than 40%, right? Well, and of course, the similarity scores should be less than 40%. Oh, well, if you find that the percentage is higher than 40%, then make revisions and resubmit the assignment. Right. So when I grade the assignment, if the AI content score or the similarity score is higher than 40%, I will check the report and to see what happened. Yeah. So if cheating or plagiarism is confirmed, so you'll get a 0 for the assignment, or you or the group or any people involved. Right. And then you will also get a notes offense of academic integrity. Right. So how to do it? Of course, paraphrase information from the sources. Rewrite sentences from the sources. How to rewrite sentences? Right. Use different words. Right. You will use different sentence structure. Uh, right. Just change one or two words. There, it is not paraphrase. It's not paraphrase. Right. And I have provide a link here. Right? And also when if we get information from different sources and we may want to merge them together to support our arguments, right? You can click on the link and visit the web page. Click on the link and visit the web page. And what else? A paragraph. One sentence is not a paragraph. Right, a paragraph should have a minimum of three sentences, and ideally a sentence include 5 to 7 sentences, right? So that's a paragraph. And also a paragraph uh, has a leading sentence, summarize the main contents of that paragraph. Right? So that's the something we have to pay attention to. And the format of the report, right? The length, minimum length, 1,000 words, 1,000 words. And that's not including the title, the figures, tables, references. But you can write like 1,500 words report, no problem, or even longer, no problem, like no penalties. But there's a minimum length for the report, right? So the report should be single spaced, single line spaced, and font size 12 times New Roman. Yeah, you have a title page, right? So make sure you include relevant information there. And if you include tables, charts, or figures, make sure you number them and provide the caption or the figure title. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, table 1, table 2, table 3. If it's from a source, list the source. Figure 1, blah, blah, blah. A parenthesis, source. Okay. Uh, Citation, right? So we want to make sure the information we presented in the report is reliable, right? So the sources should be, geology textbooks, they're very good, geology.com, government reports, university geology department website. So yeah, these are, or even peer-reviewed journal articles. Yeah, this can be cited, right? And also it's not necessary to cite sources if what you mention is common sense, right? But regarding how to identify a marble, a granite, right? We can cite a source from textbook, notably. Or I provided the open source book when we are working on the assignment. You can cite that book too. You can cite that book too, right? Um, uh, I assume you have learned how to cite sources from other courses, but I'm providing information here um, just in case you need it, right? According to blah blah blah, uh, marble, right, is a metamorphic rock, right? Research by blah blah blah, right? Work by three authors, right? So citation basically, so the author surname et al, comma, the year publication. That's it, right? And yeah, on the reference list, a minimum 5 references are required. Uh, on one author, that's easy, right? Author's easy. So in the text, you cite it as BD, comma, 2009. Two authors, right? Authors, year publication, title. Uh, Two authors' last name, year publication. Three or more authors, right? If you prefer to website, right? The author's name, if there's no publication date, ND, N.D. Marble, retrieved from, right? Yeah. So that's the intro about uh, format the format of the report.